In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted responses from Google Forms in just 5 minutes. If you've ever accidentally deleted important responses, don't worry, we've got you covered. This is a common issue, but the great news is that recovering lost responses can be straightforward. So let's dive right into the process. To start off, you'll want to head over to Google Drive. This is where all your Google Forms data lives, so it's essential we start here. Go ahead and open your browser, navigate to Google Drive, and log in if you haven't already. If you need a moment to get there, feel free to pause this video. Once you're in Google Drive, it's time to look for the Apps section on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you should see a host of Google Apps available at your fingertips, including, of course, Google Forms. Click on that Forms icon, and this will lead you to the dashboard where all your forms are neatly listed. Now take a moment to find the specific form from which you'd like to recover the deleted responses. When you click on that form, you'll be directed to a page filled with various options. What we want to do now is click on that Responses tab. Think of this tab as your personal gateway to managing and viewing all the data responses that have been collected by your form. In the next step, we'll need to link those responses to a Google spreadsheet. Look toward the top of your Responses tab, and you should see a button that says Link to Sheets. Click on it, and this action will create a live spreadsheet of responses that automatically updates as new ones come in. Now, here's where it gets interesting. If you've accidentally deleted the spreadsheet that was originally linked to these responses, don't panic. We're going to recreate it. First, let's go back to your Google form. Yes, the very same one you were just viewing. Find that Responses tab again. It's vital for what we're about to do. Next to the Responses tab, you'll find a 3-dot menu that symbolizes more options. Click on that, and within this menu, you'll see an option that says Select Destination for Responses. Go ahead and click on that option. This will bring up a new window, giving you the choice to either select an existing spreadsheet or create a new one. Since we're in recovery mode, we're going to create a new spreadsheet. So go ahead and select Create a New Spreadsheet. Take a moment while it sets up. Once it's ready, make sure to click on Create, and just like that, we're halfway there. Now, with the new spreadsheet created, you'll want to click on View in Sheets again. Voila! At this point, your deleted responses should now be recovered and visible in the newly created spreadsheet. It's a seamless way to restore lost data and make sure all your hard work doesn't vanish into the digital void. Just to recap, all we've done is navigate through Google Drive to access your Google Forms, utilize the Responses tab to link to a spreadsheet, and if necessary, created a new spreadsheet to get back anything you've lost. This little guide should help you feel more confident in managing your Google Forms data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thank you for watching, and I hope you feel empowered to tackle any tech issue that comes your way.